So you guys probably heard WordPress. So we were the first guys to host WordPress back in the days of Barry and Matt, when Matt was still at CNET before he actually started the huge company. He started with us. They had about 2 servers. In 2014, when we exited that company, they had, let's just say, quite a few more. But we did a lot of, back in the day there, PCI compliance. We had Computer Associates, a bunch of other companies. We were an early adopter in the cloud computing space. I did a lot of cybersecurity federal work. My partner in that company for 9 of my 14 years was Accel-KKR. Raised money with them, did quite a few different acquisitions, bought 4 companies over those 14 years. And in 2014, we were supposed to sell it to Silver Lake Partners. Ended up through some internal fun stuff with, let's call it, people and different things, ended up selling it to Datapipe, who then sold to Rackspace another year later.
And you were working with KKR Accel. What were you working with them to find deals?
So they were an investor in us. So they were our private equity. We raised a good chunk of capital with them. And over 9 of those 14 years, they brought us a bunch of deal flow, right? So we bought a couple other companies, added some services companies, added a security company in there.
Want to listen to the full interview? Go to Apple, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you consume podcasts.